Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. I am here for a planner video. So I right now have a dilemma on what planner, my forward planning planner that I want to use. So I am trying to decide out of a personal size KIKKI or a Happy Planner Classic, and I would love to hear your thoughts. So I will let you know why this is a dilemma for me. So this year I have used several different planners. I'm just going to kind of show what I'm using now. And I think I put my, oh, here it goes. Using this. And this, and that doesn't include this. So I think this is like getting ridiculous this year. So I have watched so many planner videos and been inspired, but the problem is being inspired by several different systems is not working for me. So we are going to cut this. We're just gonna break this habit for 2020 and just have a certain amount of planners and a use for them. And I am not going to be very decorative next year. I will do a little bit, but I want it to be more functional, and my decorating is going to go towards my memory keeping and not my planners so much. Because at the end, my children are going to probably look more at the pictures and the memory keeping versus the planners. So I will just show you real quick. This is my Happy Planner. And yes, this has been very decorative. I've changed what I've done over time. So I actually added expanded rings as well. But I use this is a different cover. But I use the Faith Planner. It's like this planner's all mixed up. So I use the Happy Planner Faith Edition for 2018-2019, but I also mixed it up with other systems. So I'm just gonna, I don't want to run through really too much, but like I even started off with doing scripture writing, and this is the Reset Girl. She did the different scripture writing prompts. I started doing that. So we'll fast forward to August. So I decorated nice with the Planner Society. Look, blank pages, because there's days where you just don't get it done, and blank pages. I even have October and November not in here. Well, October, November, and December, because I almost gave up the system. So then I decided to go ahead and redo the system and do my planning. I did some weather tracking. And yeah, so if you want to flip through this, I can show you flip through. But this is where I'm at now. Right now, actually, it's October. This is where I'm at. Okay, so it's October 2nd currently. The reason why I have not worked in this planner is because I've been working in this planner as well, which I showed the A5 setup. Isn't this ridiculous? It's like a double thing. Like, okay, I'm going to plan in this, and then I'm going to rewrite it and plan this. It makes no sense. So even September, like, I didn't even fully, I felt like in September, I did more planning in this. Here, I feel like I did some, writing stuff down, but we're already in October. Where is it? I already did a flip through. If you want to see another flip through, let me know. I don't want this video to be too long, but here, look. This is it. Today's Wednesday. I put nothing. You know why? Because I have too many planners. So, just keeping it real. And I don't want that to happen for 2020. Not only do I have that, but I have my personal planner, which is fun. It's decorated. Pages. Haven't used it. My August Cocoa Daisy. Oops. my little, oh, I had something that went with it. Oh well, it fell apart, but my August Cocoa Daisy. So I set that up for August, September, October. This is my sermon notes. Prayer list. Like, I've set all these up. It's been fun to set them up, but they're not functional. They're very frustrating. Then I have my budget, which I'm not gonna show, but hold on, let me see. I don't even think I did a budget plan for September. Nope, nothing for September. Empty. And I did some, like, I added some receipts, and then I ended up going to a different system for that. This is my YouTube. It's where the list, my ideas. I just bought this calendar from, what is it? Planner Perfect, which I love. It's very cute. So I would like to track my videos and all that. I guess this would be considered like brain dump. Oh, this is scripture stuff that I have, book that I'm reading. And then this is another book reading, like, yeah, it's that crazy. And then this, which I am going to use the Shakespeare next year, but I have like planning stuff, notes, not fully trackers, not fully used, homeschool stuff, waste of paper, waste of space, such a beautiful notebook, and I do use it a lot. I'm going to actually have another video how I'm reusing one of my journals from 2017. I'm going to fill that up. And then 2018. So I'm not starting a new journal this year. I'm just going to continue in this, which will be in a separate video. And then I will also do a flip through and share my planner system, which I won't take out right now. I'll do a flip through, but this is a Foxy Fix Mint. And I am going to use this for, I bought the quarterly personal planner page, folio pages. I will show that in another video. But anyway, this is my dilemma list for next year. So I did hopefully I'm not going too fast. I don't want this to be a long video, and let me make sure I am in focus. Yes, I am. So I have a dilemma. First, I want to show you. So I am using this Erin Condren, which I am going to take off this cover. All right, this is a cover that I got with the summer, what's it called, surprise box. And I'm gonna put back this cover with my name. This is my little notes productivity notebook, and I wrote down the Happy Planner Classic versus the KIKKI Personal Size Pro, pros and the cons. So those are my notes, and I am going to share with you. Let me see. Maybe we'll do this first. So this is actually the 2019-2020. I took out the 2019 pages and just have the 2020. This actually goes to another planner, but I'm using it for this 2020 calendar. So this planner is called Plan a Happy Life. So I'm not going to do a flip through. I just want to show the layout of this. So this is the layout. So you get this month in review calendar, and then you get a week on one page, and then you have like a list side. So that's that one. And I changed the rings out to metal colorful disc. And then this is the KIKKI. which I just purchased. This is a personal size. I got on sale at the KIKKI website. And I really like this because you get all these pages and they changed their layouts. So you get these, and then you also get, I like the new week on 2 pages. And then here's a to-do, top priorities, water intake. And what I like the most is these pages because they're blank and they have several different sections. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the pros and the cons. So the pro of the Happy Planner, I said it has more space to write because it's bigger. Lots of space to write. The dates and pages are already set up for you, which in the KIKKI, which is the con, they're not set up. You set up everything. I mean, it could be a pro or a con, but if you want to jump right into it, then you have to set it up yourself. To customize, okay, that's a con. Okay, let's go. Oh, you can use this for forward planning. So like everything's already set up for you. You can forward plan all the way to 2020, but I've even added some note pages and daily to-do pages. So you could actually write notes for 2021 as well. And the nice thing about if I don't use this year is I can redate these. So it's easy just to put stickers. Or I even have this stamp that I can use and stamp to redate. So that's the nice thing if I don't use this year. The con about this is to customize, I would need more pages and cover unwanted sections. So like I would have to cover this up if I just wanted like a list, which you know is not hard. You can get washi tape or little covers for that. And like I was saying, like if you want like a big daily to do like for reading and different things, then yes, I already added pages, but you have, you know, you can buy more pages, but it's like you have to buy more pages to put in here versus this, you have all these pages already for lists. Plus I put as a pro for this, I have all my Cocoa Daisy items, so I could actually add that in here as well. Versus here, I do have some on Punch. I could add some, but it would be like a small little note thing. And I want it to be cohesive this year. I have a little bit of order. Let's see, I think I said the pro already was this is set up and it's ready to use versus this. You have to add the dates and all that, which I have tons of fun stamps from like Cocoa Daisy. These are fun. Then like Erin Condren. So that could be fun, but it could be time consuming. But it could be fun once again. I could just take a day, set it up, and it'd be done. See, this one is customizable. I like how there's a lot of pages for lists. Right here. And for this one, like you could use this also for a list section or something like that. But I also put like, this would be so fun for me to like use different stamps in here. So I need to really use my stamps, and I just feel like I could just add like a stamp here, and it'll look really cute, or a stamp in the box. I have tons of stamps, so I kind of, it's a fun thing that I can do and helps me to be creative. Not that I can't be creative here, but I'm not trying to stickerate everything. So this is too big to carry in my bag. This is compact, so I can carry this in my purse. Oh, the dividers. So you see how the Happy Planner, they have these cute dividers. And yeah, you can add some stuff to it and make it seasonal. But the problem is they have this, the monthly view on the divider. So it's, it's already connected versus here, the monthly pages are separated, and I could just take all of these dividers out and customize this for, different seasons, winter, spring, summer. So that's why I really like this as well. The pro to this, it is undated, so I could use this anytime. This one, I think I said I could renumber. And I think that's about it. So the pro for both is, yes, I could use stickers, I could use stamps in both of these, but I think the stamps would look really lovely in here. This one already kind of has the splash of color and things like that, versus here, I feel like I can just, like how these colors are in front, I feel like I can just add different colors and it just works. I ordered some like note pages for the Happy Planner, but I'm not sure. Like I said, if I want to go that route, like I already like how this is already in here for you. Like I said, with this, it keeps adding and adding. And then like my other Happy Planner, I had to get extended rings. I like the metal rings, so does that mean I have to get extended metal rings? And that starts to be more costs because I'm going on a spending freeze. So I don't know if that's going to work. And oh, and the pro to these, there are tons of pages here, but these even are more customizable and they have tons of pages, which I like. And then I can take them out, put them in. Like I say, if I want to put my Cocoa Daisy pages in, I can always pull this out and then just add my Cocoa Daisy. So it's very easy. And then I use my stash as well. So there you have it. Those are my thoughts, the pros and the cons. Sorry if I was jumping around. So I want to know what you think. I will see what you all say, and in another video I will tell you which route I'm going to go. Just even doing this video, I kind of have an idea of what route, but I would love to hear from you to see what you think. So please leave a message. If you're not a subscriber, please become a subscriber so you can see other videos, not only planner, but I really want to invest my time into my memory keeping. I am behind on my 2018-2019 memory keeping, and I'm actually memory keeping more in traveler's notebooks. So yeah, which makes it fun. And yeah, and I will have lots of fun planner videos and also doing some collabs. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions below, just leave it down below, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.